wet. Dang. You see it? That boy wet. How y'all doing? What's your name, by the way, fam? Miguel. It's your truck here?
Yeah.
Beautiful car, man. Beautiful car, man. That paint is crazy.
Yeah.
What was the motivation behind the truck?
I just decided to paint it black to red. Brand new chameleon.
Respect, respect. How long it take you to build this thing?
Like 3 months.
3 months? That ain't bad. So you got to rush on him, huh?
Yeah.
Where you from, fam?
Mexico.
Mexico, respect. What part?
Michoacan.
There you go, there you go. Anything you want to shout out? Business IG?
Shout out to our low life Uso Car Club.
Respect, respect.
For having us out here.
There we go. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah. Beautiful family, man. Beautiful truck, bro. Thank you for your time. Get that grill. Details. 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 Got the roof. What up, man? How you doing? All right now.